Hiya, my name's Max Workman. I'm 13 years old in the UK. Well, hopefully in this year I'll be 14. So, today, instead of talking about the building, I am here to talk to you about smoking and vaping, about all the dangers about it. So, I'm going to firstly talk to you about the smoking bit. So, smoking is a very big dangerous infection which could literally give you cancer. And when people are putting no smoking signs up, is because they are not wanting anyone to be smoking indoors, because it spreads smell and some people could be allergic to it, and it's causing a really dangerous drug, and it can stain the whole building, which is very, very dangerous. And also it's with flames, so it could also get flame smell in there. And also, the reason you must never smoke, never hide somewhere to smoke in toilets or anywhere, is because a worker would come in the toilets to clean, and they will come over and say, right, what is this smell? Someone has been smoking indoors. And then they will say, then someone will tell them why it happened, and they will say, and they will find out who the person was, and if they know the person, if they have their numbers, they will ring them up, and then it will cause a police thing, and then the police could get you in prison really easily, because you must never smoke in toilets or go like anywhere around a building with your cigarette. You must make sure to never smoke anywhere. If you smoke weed, it can cause a really big infection, and you could easily cause bad cancer really easily, which is not okay for people. And also, there's the carbon monoxide, which is a very, very poisonous gas, and it is in the cigarettes to cause with oxygen, and it is never allowed around people. It is not okay for people to smoke and also have carbon monoxide inside, which is also a really poisonous gas, which is very dangerous to use it with. Now we're going to speak about vaping. So vaping, nobody knows if it's going to give you cancer or not, but it's still not really okay to do about, because of all the nicotine in it, which is the same with smoking with the nicotine, and also it could have danger, and you might find out that someone might cause cancer with vaping, and nobody knows if it will happen. But if it does happen, you'll find out that someone had been vaping, and then if they get cancer, then it will notice. But vaping is still not okay, because it can because some people could still choke on it or something, and it could still cause an infection sometimes. But when nobody knows about the cancer bit, about this bit at the minute, but no one should smoke or vape. And also, if someone says or vaping on their sign as well, it's very clearly that you must never vape either, because also it could cause an infection as well for people. Some people could be allergic to it, and it might catch it, and then they would get really poorly. So that is exactly why the rules are around, and in case if you're going to break the rules. And soonly we hopefully think that smoking is going to be illegal, which we both all hope. And hopefully vaping will be, if someone finds out that someone gets cancer with it. But people should never smoke or vape in toilets. It is very much illegal, and that's exactly why it always is causing trouble. So that's all I need to say for the time being, but this is what I hope never will happen during the rest of the moments now I've said about this. So that's all I need to tell now, but I'll see you next video. Cheers.